Blockchains hold limitless opportunities to create passive income. And one way in particular is to create arbitrage-based crypto trading bots that make you money while you sleep. Like this developer who made over $13,000 in a single transaction, all 100% verifiable on the blockchain. And this opportunity is absolutely exploding right now, mostly because of the recent upticks in the crypto markets. And if we continue on into the next crazy leg of the bull market, like many people are anticipating, then this opportunity will absolutely explode even further. I'm gonna explain exactly why in this video, break down how this developer did this, and how you can create your own arbitrage crypto trading bots as well. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know in this video today as a blockchain developer myself who's done this. So if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something that you're interested in, then smash that like button down below and subscribe. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk about the absolute best way to create a crypto trading bot right now that's absolutely going to clean up in the 2024-2025 crypto bull market. So first, let me clear something up. I'm not talking about a cryptocurrency trading bot that tries to predict the future and buys and sells cryptocurrency based on the information. No, I'm talking about an arbitrage-based cryptocurrency trading bot powered by flash loans that looks for opportunities in the market right now, only makes trades if it's profitable, doesn't require any of your money to trade, and can't lose money. These bots did over $3 million in aggregate just in the last 30 days. And if this bull trend in crypto continues, I expect those profits to multiply. So why is that? Well, in explosive crypto bull markets, there's significantly more arbitrage opportunities because trading volume goes up, more money is moving through the market, and then also volatility increases. And whenever volatility increases, there's more price discrepancies and more arbitrage opportunities. And because this opportunity is heating up right now, I'm gonna hold a Trading Bot Masterclass next Thursday, October 10th. Inside, I'm gonna show you how to create a blockchain-based arbitrage trading bot with flash loans step by step. So trust me, you don't wanna miss this. Hold your spot with the link down below today. All right, so let me break down exactly what this developer did to make $13,000 in a single transaction. Now, this comes down to the simple principle of arbitrage. Basically buying cryptocurrency on one exchange and selling it on another exchange for a profit. So basically, if you can buy a crypto token for $100 on one exchange and sell on another exchange for $101, that's a $1 profit. Now, if you can do it with multiple units of the cryptocurrency like this developer did, that can be quite a large profit in a single transaction. In this case, $13,000. That's basically what they did. They simply arbitraged wrapped Ether for USDC coin and got more back than they had originally with lots of units, which total up to 13 grand. Now, not every arbitrage transaction is going to have that type of opportunity, but even if you do this with one unit of the cryptocurrency or a few units over and over again, that might be $50, might be a few $100 or $1,000, and that can add up quickly over time, especially when you're doing it over and over again. Now, like I was saying before, crypto is volatile by nature, which creates arbitrage opportunities, and you can do crypto arbitrage without using a bot on centralized exchanges, right? You could buy, Bitcoin here and sell it here for a small profit, all right? But the problem is, if you were to move from one exchange to another, this price discrepancy may no longer be there. It can move on you, and the arbitrage opportunity may no longer exist, and you could lose money. So that's not what you want to do. You want to use a blockchain-based solution, which means you want to use decentralized exchanges, things like Uniswap, SushiSwap, because the beauty of these is they run on the blockchain. And as a developer, you can create smart contracts which hook into these exchanges and orchestrate the arbitrage opportunity so that you're buying on one exchange and selling on a different exchange in real time. And whenever you do that, there's no way that the price can move on you. The funds are transferred instantly, and the smart contract enforces that it's not going to go through unless it's profitable, so you can't lose the money. And if that doesn't sound good enough, let me sweeten the deal even further. Okay, so when you're going and doing arbitrage on these centralized exchanges or even on DEXs and you're using your own money, you still have to have money to trade. All right. But with the power of flash loans, you do not need any money in order to do arbitrage. So how does that even work? Well, it's because you can use a flash loan. So what is that? Well, it's a technique where you can borrow millions of dollars for free on the blockchain as long as you pay it back in the same transaction. So what does that mean? What does it mean to just use it and pay it back instantly? Well, basically, blockchain supports simple transactions and they support complex transactions. So a simple transaction would be like if I sent cryptocurrency from my account to yours, it's just like one step. Just move crypto out of my wallet, put it in your wallet. Now, you can do transactions with multiple steps like borrow money, do something, pay it back to keep the profit. That's where the flash loan comes into play. So you can borrow as much money as you need. You can do something with it, like trade it for arbitrage and then pay it back all in one go. So you're not taking the loan out for some duration of time. It's completely instant because you're using it and putting it back. And no, you can't lose this money because, again, if the transaction is not profitable and you don't pay back the flash loan, the blockchain's not even going to let you do it. So there's no way you can lose the money that you're borrowing and be on the hook for it. And let me explain why you have an edge in doing this. This is not something that normal people can do with their wallet on a blockchain. You actually have to have smart contracts that you create as a developer or a developer creates for you to do this. So here's an example like of a flash loan contract from Balancer. You have to hook this up into a contract and orchestrate the steps of buying and selling in the arbitrage contract in order to make this work. So it's a huge edge that you have with these technical skills. Now, that's just the arbitrage side of the equation, basically having the smart contracts that takes out the flash loan and does the trading. Now, there's one other piece of the puzzle, which is the searcher bot. Okay, so that's the actual bot side of things where basically you have a bot that's running on your computer that's watching for different arbitrage opportunities in the marketplace, looking at different decentralized exchanges, monitoring different token pairs, watching when those tokens fall out of sync, and whoever detects an arbitrage opportunity, it calls the smart contract that takes out the flash loan, buys on one exchange, sells on the other exchange, and sends the profit to your developer wallet. So that's an overview of the bot, how it works. That's exactly what I'm going to show you inside this class next week. But how can you use that bot to create your own strategies? And let me show you why there's a nearly infinite number of possibilities to find arbitrage opportunities. So first of all, it comes down to which cryptocurrencies are you monitoring? All right. So there's thousands of cryptocurrency trading pairs that you can monitor for this strategy. All right. On top of that, there's another variable, which is which exchanges are you watching? Okay. So you can look at different DEXs. There's dozens of different decentralized exchanges with legitimate trading volume that you can implement this strategy on. And finally, which blockchain are you using? All right. There's about a dozen different blockchains this strategy is viable on. And basically you can move the bot on these different chains in order to find these opportunities. So whenever you start changing the tokens, you start changing the exchanges, you start changing the blockchains, you don't have to be an expert in combinatorics or discrete mathematics to see that that yields a nearly limitless number of combinations to find arbitrage opportunities. And like I was saying at the beginning of this video, if the crypto bull market continues to heat up like crazy, then I expect these opportunities to multiply even further. Because again, as the markets go crazy, trading volume increases, which means more opportunities. And as the prices are more volatile, the volatility increases, the exchanges fall further out of sync, which also means more arbitrage opportunities as well. And so if you want to jump on this opportunity as things are heating up, then make sure you hold your spot for the Trading Bot Masterclass next Thursday on October 10th. Inside, I'm going to show you to create a blockchain-based arbitrage trading bot with flash loans step by step. So trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hold your spot with the link down below. All right, so that's all I've got for today. Make sure you smash that like button down below, subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.